Good morning everybody. Today I am in front of you in your math class. Chapter 3 Data Handling. In data handling we already completed about mean. Today my point is mode and median. Mode. Definition. The mode of a set of observations is the observations that occur most often. Definition, remember again. Definition says that the mode of a set of observations, if you have given observations, then you will find the mode observation that occur most often. In simple way, we say that in the given observation, we see which number occur most time. That number is a mode of given number. Example: if you have given a set of observation 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, 4. Here we see that these are observations. What is the mode of given observation? According to definition, the mode of set of observation, that is observation that occurs most often. The number which has come most time. For it, we arrange the given observation in ascending order or descending order. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 7. First you write the given observation in ascending order or descending order. Then you find which numbers has come most often. Here we see that 2 has come 3 times, 3 2 times, 4 2 times. So the mode of given observation, mode of given observation is 2. Simple way, you arrange the given observation in ascending order or descending order, then you will see which number has comes most time. That's number be mode. Median. Definition of median says median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data. Median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data. In your 7th class, you will study simple median, but when you go in 8th class or 9th class or 10th class, you will study about median vastly and the formula to find the median in the class 9, in the class 10th, in the class 8 are already be present in your class, next class. But here simple median, how you find the median? Simply you have given median paper, you have given a lot of data, means 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 8, 9. You first arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. Means 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Then you divide the given data half. Means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We see that the middle value of given data is 5. Therefore, median of given data five. Similarly, you can find the median of any given data when first you arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. In your class, it is a simple way, but in 8th class, 10th class, 9th class, the 3 formula has already been written in your book. From this, with the help of this formula, you will find the median. When here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all observation is 7. But when the number of digits be 8, how you divide half and half? When you divide half, 4 here, 4 here, there is no any number be in middle. So how you will find the median of that data which has numbers in even form? It will be discussed about in next class. In 9th class, you will discuss about when n is equal to even, n is equal to odd. N means number of observations. Here number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here n is equal to 7. Similarly, in next class you will study n is equal to even. When the number of observations is even, then how you will find the median? It has a formula. And when the n is odd, how you will find the median? It has also a formula. And a long formula in 10th class for median. n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. It is the formula for median in 10th class, 9th class. So when you will be go in the next class 8, 9, 10, you will study to find the median. But here simple way, all questions be in your book. Median, the number of median be odd. Now we are going to start your exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Question first. The score in a mathematics test of 15 students is as follows. Find the mode and median of the data. They are same. First question, a score has given 19, 25, 23, 25, 23, 29, 20, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16. 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20, 24, 12, 15 students is following numbers school. Find the mode and median. Mode. Median. Simple way. Question first, second, third, fourth, all questions are same. So we discuss about the first question deeply. When you will understand first question, you will done your 1 to 4 question self. First of all, you will arrange the given observation in ascending or descending order. First, you will arrange the given number in ascending order. The smallest number is 9, 10. No, before 5. 5, 9, 10, 15, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 23, 24, 25. All given data we already arranged in ascending order. Now last point. According to definition of mode, you will find which number has come most time. Here we see that 20 has come 4 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 20. Why 20 is mode? We know that the numbers which occurs most often in given data is mode. Here 20 must occur 4 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 20. Median. You divide the given observation in a two middle part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you will divide first 7 part in one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 part from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the middle part before half and after half is 20, therefore median is also 20. Now you will try to solve your second question. Second question also find mean, mode and median. In second question you will find 3 answer. First you find mean, second time mode, third time median. Third question, the weight of class student 15 student be given. Find the mode and median of this data. First you will arrange the given data in ascending order, then you find the mode by the definition which number has most occur, it will be mode, and which is the middle data, it is the median. So you will try to complete your exercise 3.2. 3.2 has only 4 questions. All questions are same as first, second, third, and 4 is true false. So you will complete it here exercise 3.2 in NB. If you have any problem, you will contact with my mobile number with me anytime, anywhere. That's